Good day all. Today I will guide you a new airdrop like grass. You can earn massive profits. Watch the video in the channel about the grass airdrop, and this is the same kind of airdrop Nodepay. I will introduce you what is Nodepay and how to earn massive profit using the Nodepay season 1, and also here's a how to buy Telegram stars with cheaply using Ton. You can watch the video in the channel. Let's move on to the Nodepay. In here, Nodepay is same as the grass airdrop which received massive profits. Nodepay is a platform for AI training and development, and it provides users to own and access AI with real-time data intelligence, and also you can earn money by downloading the Nodepay mobile app and also the using the Chrome extension by sharing your bandwidth and data. Let's move how it is done. Please click the link in the video description. You will navigate to the Nodepay register place register page. After that, enter your username, email, and confirm your email by verifying. After that, in here the what is Nodepay is doing is it is same like grass grass airdrop. It is real-time bandwidth sharing, and also it use this data to reinforcement learning in machine learning. After you successfully register, you can navigate to dashboard. Before that, I will introduce you the Nodepay mobile app. You can earn massive profit using the Nodepay mobile app. You can sign in with same username password you register and earn massive profits using the Nodepay mobile app. You can claim every hour after the mining. You can claim every points in every 8 hours. Let's see. After navigating to the dashboard, you can see dashboard. First of all, go to the earnings, and also you need to connect your wallet. You need to connect your Ton wallet. After that, it will be listed soon, and also the mission and rewards. You need to complete your missions like 7-day check-in bonus, like that. There are many missions, 24-hour mining profit, and also the bonus point, referral points, and also the you connect your Discord, connect your X, and also by verifying your mail you can earn Nodepay points. And also here you can download your Nodepay app in here by go to this Nodepay on App Store. Also the app is listed on the. Let's see how to install the Nodepay extension. Type Nodepay extension in the Google and move to the Nodepay extension Chrome App Store. After that, you can install it Nodepay extension. After successfully install, please sign in with your username and details. Mining begins. You can earn massive profit using the Nodepay. So keep mining. If there is any questions, comment in the video. I am Tusit Deepak. Thank you.